Enabling or disabling use volume keys for media on the Galaxy. S24 lets you choose whether the volume keys control media volume or ringtone volume by default. Here's how it's done. First, tap the home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the notification panel and tap on the settings gear icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Next, scroll down and tap on Volume. At the bottom of the volume settings, you'll see Use Volume Keys for Media. Tap the toggle button to turn it on or off. When this setting is turned on, pressing the volume keys on the side of your phone will adjust the media volume by default instead of the ringtone volume. If you tap the three dots, it will expand and open up the volume control panel, showing separate sliders for media volume and ringtone volume. With Use Volume Keys for Media turned on, pressing the volume keys will adjust the media volume by default. If you switch this feature off, pressing the volume keys will adjust the ringtone volume instead. And that's it. You now know how to enable or disable Use Volume Keys for Media on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.